Christmas Day, you've been waiting to slay. It's almost Christmas Day, you've been waiting to slay.
Hello everyone! Welcome! You're okay. Welcome sa ating channel. Sobrang tagal na simula nung last video ko. Parang review vlog pa yata yun. Update lang, hindi na po ako nagre-review. May nangyari and I had to stop reviewing. Sobrang daming beses ko nang nag-attempt na mag-vlog and hindi ko siya natutuloy-tuloy. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Maybe wrong choice of content. Hindi siya para sa akin. I don't know. Wait, parang nawawalan ako ng motivation to film and to edit and to upload. Pero ayun, since my family is my life now, I really want to document basketball! And I really want to document our life simula nang maliliit pa sila, ganyan, hanggang sa lumaki sila. Pasko na po, so naisip ko na ito yung time na masarap mag-treasure ng moments. And this is the chance to start vlogging again. First 4 days, hindi ako nagsasalita. As in, binibidyoan ko lang yung mga nangyayari everyday. Nung 4 days na yun. Past 4 days. So, ayun, makikita niyo sa vlog. Mamaya lang, sana ma-enjoy niyo pa rin kahit di ako nagsasalita. Future vlogs, hoping ako na saka na makapagsalita na ako. Pero I will not promise you anything kasi medyo nahihiya pa talaga ako magsalita in public while holding my phone. Phone lang kasi gamit ko ngayon. Pero ngayon pa siya kasi sila. Ang nakalay mo sa gilid. May panging Christmas tree. Hindi ko alam kung kailan kukuha. Hopefully this week. Enjoy the rest of the video. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Ano yan? Flying kiss lang. Kiss mama, dali. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Kiss dada. Ipakit sa camera. Ipakit sa camera. Ang batang yan. Where you going? What happened? Come, let's go.
Dada. Oh, Dada.
Dada. Oh, maybe it's wet.
Didn't.
Shall we?
Sorry.
Dahan-dahan. Kasi
Bakit?
dahan-dahan tayo. Gaya na lang.
Morning walk. Morning walk with Karen.
Let's run! Let's go!
Let's go.
Yay! Where are you going?
Bye.
Go, Mama. Don't be Mama's here.
Winters, that was a bit easily in proportions. Okay.
Inano mo naman yung buhok ni Mama eh. Baldhead na tuloy si Mama. Baldhead na si Mama, no?
Do you think you do it faster?
That's not what I said. Well, obviously I can.
Where are you going? Christmas party! Hi! Say hi!
right.
Jugu.
Do right. Do right. Do right.
Hello. Hi, Ted.
Hi,
How are you, Ted?
Ted.
Isa, iba inom.
Ang bait, Gary.
Si
Nakikipag-play
Ted,
siya sa'yo.
Papahimas yan pagka umupo.
Nakikipag-play siya sa'yo, Gary.
Garen, don't step on him, ha?
Wow! Oh.
Yeah! Good job!
Yung isa din, di na.
Ay, papuntahin niya isa.
Awag daw yan na. Medyo suplado yung isa.
Si Ted lang.
Si Ted lang daw si Ted.
Ito mabait naman to. Kaso lang may nananahol. Okay.
Garen, come here,
Maybe
sir.
kami. Pagkukuha mo muna.
Hinaingit yung
Kasi
isang
namamangga
dadas.
to eh. Hindi niya...
Si Ted!
Say good evening.
Come here, Ted!
Gusto niya yung aso. Gusto niya pasok siya.
Hug! Okay na lang maglaro. Hug!
Thank you po. Nakaintindihan kaya sila?
Ready? Sa art, dito ka magsisimula. Wait. One by one, ha? One by one. One time, just hold the air.
So, yung dalawa na yan, sinasabay dalawa.
And then the other one.
No. You hold here. Then blow.
Unti naman, damihan mo naman. Doon na natin sila ng towels. Karen! Baby! Karen! Come to mommy. Wow, good job! Ay, sige nga. Show mommy.
Go down. Go down to the water. Go to the water.
Good job!
Wow. Garen, what is 1 plus 1? What is 2 plus 2? What is 3 plus 3? Good job. Good morning, Garen.
Pika.
Gee, where are you going? Oh.
Garen's going to the house.
Garen's going to the beach.
Going to the beach. Beach. That's beach. Kakagising lang ng bata. Pupunta sa may...
Ganda naman ang shorts mo. Are those dinosaurs?
Of course.
Aw, baby, don't rub your eyes.
To
Morning.
the beach.
Garen, say happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary, Mama Lang. Payo. Happy birthday, Mama Lang. Ano yan? Is this sleepy? Sleepy ka pa? Yeah. Oh, ganun pala yun. Garen! Baby! Dire-diretso! Malamig po yung tubig. Lamig, baby. Malamig.
Sa tubig sa swimming pool.
Count nga. Count all the shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, 10. Jesus. 10, yeah. Count again. One more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Starfish.
Ito.
Esto.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bye, baby.
We are moving. We are moving. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Garen.
Ay, may wish mo.
Taste, baby.
Maybe taste ko
Lemon, lemon. Oh. Let's try, oh. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum.
Also tasty.
Oh, so tasty.
Ay, Diyos.
Carefully. What
Karen,
is
what is 1 plus 1?
2.
What is 2 plus 2?
4 apple.
What?
I've been talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas
Hey, hey,